Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bluetooth missing from Windows 10, 11 Device Manager. First method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters, click Run under Bluetooth. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Select Computer, click Action, click Add Legacy Hardware. Select Network or Bluetooth adapter. Select Microsoft, select Bluetooth, or ARCOM protocol in model. Click Next to install driver. Fourth method is open any browser, type Intel Driver Support Assistant in browser search bar. Download and install software. Open Intel Driver and Support Assistant. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.